parking instructions updates for the month of June here in the next episode of D3. What is up, D3 fam? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, we're going to talk about the park construction updates for the month of June here at the Disneyland Resort. First, as usual, I would like to thank you all for your continued support of this channel. Remember, if you like what you see, click that subscribe button below and become a member of the D3 family. Alright D3 fam, we are here. This is June. You know what that means. The opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is here. Yes indeed. I will be there on June 7th, within a couple of days, to give you an updating of all the cool stuff that is going on over in that area. But first, I'm going to tell you some updates of the park. Tell you all the things that are now open, which is a lot of things that are open that have closed in the last couple of months, including Sleepy Beauty's Castle. Also, we're going to walk around the park and see all the closures that were now open, and go over to California Adventure and get an update from over there. Let's go. Alright D3 fam, here we are, the biggest news of the day. Sleeping Beauty's Castle is now officially back open here at the Disneyland Resort. After months of renovation, and they changed the paint and color scheme of the castle, which it looks amazing in person, by the way. For all of you guys who are diehard fans, this is awesome. Like I said, it's back open to the public. You come to the Disneyland Resort now. Now let's go to our next attraction. Alright D3 fam, we're now over in Tomorrowland. As you can see, everything is fully functional and open now. You can see they had a Toy Story 4 preview, which is awesome, by the way, playing probably for the next couple of weeks. Hyperspace Mountain is back open. And you also have the Alien Pizza Planet, which was under refurbishment for the last couple of months. So this looks amazing on the inside, by the way. You got the rocket right there, it's all complete. We continue to walk around over here where the old, where the current Star Wars launch bay is. This is where you come if you have a reservation for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This is where you come to check in at. So I advise you come like 2 hours in advance. Right now it looks very light, which is really good. So, well, this is where you come for your reservation for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And also, Autopia is fully functional and open. And everything over here in Tomorrowland looks like it's up and running, so, which is very good for this busy time of year during the summer months. Now let's go over towards Fantasyland for our next update. Alright D3 fam, here's an update for some of the attractions here in Fantasyland. As you can see, Casey Jr. is now reopened. It was down for about a month for refurbishment. For all you little ones out there, you parents of the little kids, or you big kids at heart, this famous ride is now reopened. Let's go to our next attraction. Alright D3 fam, that's the updates from the Disneyland side so far for the month of June. I can tell you right now the park is beautiful. It's not as crowded as people thought it was going to be. Right now at least. It's going to probably be a little bit more crowded and congested probably after June 24th. But with that being said, let's go over to California Adventure and check out the updates over there. Alright D3 fam, an update over here from the Soarin' attraction for the month of June. The Soarin' Over Around the World attraction is going to be back to the original Soarin' Over California attraction, which is really cool. It's a unique experience for you to soar over various landmarks of California if you're not familiar with the original version. So this is a really special treat for us here in California. You know, they're going to still have the Soarin' Around the World attraction over in Orlando, but after the month of June, this is going to go back to the original form of the new version of Soarin' Around the World here at California Adventure. So again here folks, here at Disneyland's California Adventure, the Soarin' attraction will be temporarily converted back over to the original version of Soarin' Over California. And let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, here's the update on the construction of Marvel Land from the north side over by Guardians of the Galaxy attraction. Here's the Guardians of the Galaxy right there to give you a perspective where I'm at. You just see nothing but pretty much nothing too big going on from this angle, just like a big old dirt mound over there. So we're gonna go check out on the other side of the construction. Alright D3 fam, here's an update from the south or the eastern side of the construction of Marvel Land here at California Adventure. As you can see, more and more framework is going up for the new Spider-Man attraction right there in front of you. Like you can see in the background, there's Guardians of the Galaxy. So they're making some progress in this area on this side as compared to the other side. So this is looking really interesting. So I should have another update hopefully in July if there's either more further construction in this area. Let's go to our next adventure. Alright D3 fam, here's another update, a new update on the Silly Symphony Swings here at California Adventure. Is back up and running after being down for refurbishment for a couple of months. So you see right there, it's back up in full swing. So it should be a nice, fun, exciting ride. One of my favorite rides here at the Disneyland Resort here at California Adventure. So again, the Silly Symphony Swings is back up and operational. Now next to our next and final update, which is the Inside Out attraction. Alright D3 fam, here's a final update of the day. The new Inside Out attraction here at California Adventure. As you can see, it's almost done. It's pretty much 90% complete, put together. Looks awesome, by the way. As usual, here's the final product, how it's going to look when it's all complete. But as you can see, it's almost done. Another look right there. It's almost complete. So hopefully this will be open in time by the next month or the end of the summer. Well folks, there you have it. That's the update for the month of June for the Disneyland Resort. It's going to be a very exciting month with the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge right now, and it's open to the public for everybody else who does not have a reservation beginning June 24th. If you have a reservation like I do, stay tuned. I will probably be posting another update from the Galaxy's Edge in the near future. With that being said folks, this concludes this episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And also, if you haven't already done so, feel free to subscribe to this channel and also for follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter. See you next time.